Downloading contacts.vcf file. When I try to open the contacts.vcf file with Google Play services for AR required message is showing unable to start experience. Please install or update Google Play services for AR and relaunch the experience. What is Google Play services for AR? Google Play services for AR unlocks AR experiences built with ARCore. Google Play services for AR is automatically installed and updated on supported devices. This service unlocks augmented reality experiences built using ARCore. Automatic updates ensure that apps with AR functionality work without requiring an additional download. This service was previously known as ARCore. Install the service and unlock new ways to shop, learn, create and experience the world together. Recommended action: instead opening VCF file with Google, try open it with contacts like this. Open with contacts. Instead open with Google, open with contacts. Subscribe.